What if you could have a yacht that's not only a pleasure to sail, but also perfectly tailored to your lifestyle? That's the beauty of a semi-custom build, and we're about to show you one remarkable example. Get ready to see how design and functionality of ICE 62 Targa were customized to meet the unique needs of its owner. In the next minute, you'll see 5 design iterations based on the client's brief and implemented by Felci Design. First version. Solo sailing 60 feet boat. Fast and sexy, eye-catching, with 360 view from the saloon. Second version. Clean cockpit, means an arch for the main sheet. Third version. High bulkwards for safety. Raised deck on the stern for the safety of his dog. Fourth version. Good autonomy in water and energy. Solar panels on the coach roof. Winches at the mast for a clean cockpit. Fifth version. Hard top for a shadow in long passages and solar panels. Hard chain for dry deck and a character, more aggressive look. Long bowsprit and open pulpit for downwind performance.